a rainy day on the boardwalk, but our room is absolutely amazing. I'm about to do a room tour. I'm so excited to stay here. This is my first time staying at the Deluxe Boardwalk Resort. Thank you so much. This is the bedroom. It's so beautiful. Love the pictures. So cute. We have the phone and the nightstand. And here's your TV, a dresser, table and chairs. And then it opens up to the balcony. Kitchen is so cute. Microwave, stove, refrigerator, full size. Toaster, a coffee pot, the couch area, which folds out into a bed. Over here making all that noise is our washer and dryer that is going. And then this is the bathroom area. It's so pretty. Fan's a little bit loud, but we'll deal with it. Just love that painting, it's so cute. Nice bathtub. The sink area. Big closet. I literally could live here. Kitchen table with plenty of space to eat. It's another TV and like a little bar area where you can put things, some bar stools. Exactly. So here is the balcony area. Pretty view. It'd be really nice to have coffee out here in the morning. at the boardwalk. Swimming pool. It's empty tonight. It's been raining and it's kind of cold in the water. But it's a beautiful night. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.